How to overlay Strava stats on Instagram story. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can overlay your Strava status using your Instagram story. This is very simple, but the very first or the very main thing that you want to have to do is make sure that both of the applications that you're using is updated to its latest version, so you will not encounter any problems and you will also be having this kind of feature. Open up your Strava app and make sure that you're logged in. At the lower right, you should see a U tab. Tap on that. And then above you should see progress, workouts, and activities. All I have to do is to choose on activities. In here is going to be all the history tracks that you have by using the application. For you to share it into your Instagram story, you just need to tap this share button. And then before choosing on Instagram story, you can actually change the template above. Then once you are satisfied with that specific template, just simply choose on stories and it will automatically be linked into your Instagram account. And that is how you overlay Strava stats on Instagram story.